Here we're going to solve this inequality. So if I hide this part, you can say 2x has to be less than or equal to 8. You can read this from left to right. You'll read it as 1 has to be less than 2x. If you want to read it from right to left, you have to say 2x is bigger than, has to be bigger than 1. We'll just solve it anyway. We'll solve this bit first. To get rid of times by 2, divide by 2. Do the same on the other side. 2's cancel. You've got x less than or equal to 4. Let's do now this bit. 1 has to be less than 2x. Right, I want x on its own, so to get rid of times by 2, you need to divide by 2. Same on the other side. 1 divided by 2, you can leave it as a half if you want, 1 over 2, or say 0.5. The 2's cancel, you're just left with x. So we've got our answers now. X has to be less than or equal to 4. And half has to be less than x, or you can say, reading from right to left, x has to be greater than half. So you could write it like this as well. So I've combined this one, put that over here, and I put that part over here. If you want to do this all in one go, you can do so. I want x on its own. So to get rid of times by 2, divide by 2. What have you done this side? Do on every single side. So the outcome of this is 1 divided by 2 is a half. 2 divided by 2, they knock each other out, you're left with x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's the answer. That's what we had here. Right, let's solve this compound inequality all in one go. So focus on the middle. I want x on its own. First get rid of the minus 1. You add 1. What have you done this side? Do on the other side, do on the other side. So what's happened here is we've got negative 2 add 1 on the number line. If you look at the number line, negative 2 add 1 gives you negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1, then knock each other out, they cancel out. You're just left with 3x. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. To get rid of times by 3, you divide by 3. What have you done on this side? Do on that side, on this side as well. So what are we left with now? Negative 1 divided by 3, I'll just leave it as a fraction. 3 divided by 3, they knock each other out, they cancel out, you're left with x, and then 6 divided by 3 is 2.